today e-commerce in the last few years has succeeded because the generation that has started buying online is a generation that is really comfortable with the internet. It is really comfortable with transacting online, interacting online. They're very active on Facebook, and a lot of these ecosystems have developed. 10 years from now, the generation, or probably earlier than that, I'm probably saying 10 years, a long horizon, I'm saying probably 5 years or less than that, the generation that will start transacting will be a lot more comfortable using a handset than a desktop. And there'll be inherent benefits of doing that. A, they'll be used to that form factor. B, they would be expecting a location-based service. It will not remain a benefit, it will become a hygiene element of probably a shopping experience that the place where I'm buying from knows my location. They'll be used to engaging with content, sharing with friends, talking to each other, a lot of social angle to it. That entire experience is built for mobile. And which is where I think we have to recognize that investment as well. A lot of effort that, for example, Flipkart right now puts is towards building the mobile proposition and how social can help, how getting a lot more people engaged with the product can help, how can they share with each other. A lot of these are going to be pretty much like the website that we own, the kind of traffic that we are able to develop. This will be a core strength of folks who would be investing in mobile.
Mobile is a device where you can talk to that, you can look into that, you can take a picture. So I'm saying mobile will be a device, and plus it's a personal screen. Like somebody was saying that even in, say, US, it's not a totally analogous situation. There are large houses which have several television sets, etc. In Asian houses, the houses are small with a single television. So the privacy of using it is much lower in an Asian household per se. So a desktop, I think in long term, we are already at around 20% on desktop. I think in the long term, desktop would become more or less irrelevant from the core customer point of view. As far as app and this thing is concerned, it's split 40-40 between app and mobile side. We prefer people to come onto the app because we know where the device is getting logged in from, what is the kind of device ID he has, what is the handset that he is using. We can actually integrate SDKs which actually help you to deliver images in an encrypted manner. They get decrypted, so the image requirement in terms of data is smaller. Then you know what he's looked for last time. You can rearrange the products based on that. So the kind of things that you can do on the app is significantly more than you can do on the mobile side. Because on the mobile side, it's fairly that you only know at best his last cookie and stuff like that. So I think the way we see it as if the brand is strong and it has a reason to solve the problem, people will shift to app. Currently, it's 40% for us. My sense is that in a year and a half time, it will be 60 to 65%. And it's such a new phenomena. When we started our business, and in 2012, in September, I went to San Francisco for a conference, which was a mobile-first conference. At that time, it looked like a buzzword that it's never going to happen. And today, there is no desktop pretty much which is of any major relevance to most online players. I think the change that is going to happen is going to be more and more personalized. And I think that is the challenge, that whether you're online and offline or any other way you are touching the person, the personalization has to be of a degree that actually makes him feel that it's for him. So there are various things that we are doing around the whole thing of personalization. You could even have the impact of we are launching a new feature where it's hot or not. So if your friend says these are the products that those are hot, and the same products are also added to that selection, and then you can see that your friend, which are the hot products in that. So this is the kind of personalization possible in an app is on a scale of 100 is say 80. On mobile side is say 40. In case of desktop, because it's used by different people, different browsers, different cookie setting, is not even 10. So I don't think desktop is going anywhere down.